What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this LHDC ONE. This is the world's first Bluetooth dongle offering master tape audio quality with 24-bit 192 kHz sound quality with low latency. That sounds so very amazing, and this product actually is a top class one. Okay, inside the box you will get this LHDC dongle. This is a USB-C based dongle, and inside the box you will also get a activation card and a user manual. On the box it clearly shows high-res audio certified logo, so definitely LHDC ONE supports and offers high resolution audio. Actually, for the past couple of weeks I have been looking for a LHDC dongle, and it's truly a very difficult task because we not only need an adapter, we also need an external DSC for enhanced audio processing, and there will definitely be a cable mess. So I've been looking for something easy and simple to use. It's great that I have noticed and found this LHDC online. I've got one, and most probably I'm gonna get more for my friends and families because this LHDC ONE not only performs, it performs like a monster. I can use this LHDC ONE with OnePlus devices, with Xiaomi devices, and even with iPhone. Yeah, I definitely have Google Pixel 8 series devices, and all the devices supports this LHDC ONE without any issue. You know, these days, most of the time we listen to music using online music streaming platforms, and most of those music streaming platforms now offers 24-bit 192 kHz music streaming, lossless streaming. So to get the most perfect outcome, I think LHDC ONE is the best product, because mostly we listen to music on Spotify or maybe on Apple Music or on Tidal or KKBox. In some regions, people listen to music on QQ Music or QO Buzz. So yeah, as all of these platforms actually offers a 24-bit 192 kHz sound, master tape audio quality, why don't we listen to the best, as we have the access to the best? And to get to the best, what we need is this LHDC ONE. It's a very easy to use. I don't want to convert this video into a tutorial because the brand Savitech, they already have released a video how to use this one. There is a very good tutorial, but let me quickly show you. What you have to do is to put this little dongle into the USB-C port of our smartphone, and there will be a red light. Yeah, there are two LED lights. One is a Bluetooth LED light and another is sampling rate LED light. When the Bluetooth LED is solid red, it means device not connected. So we can put it into pairing mode and pair a LHDC supported earbuds, something like Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2, to connect with the device. Once the device is connected, the Bluetooth LED will turn blue. That means device connected and it's in normal mode. We can press the button once to put it into low latency mode. Now you can see there is another LED light which is actually a sampling rate indicator. Now this is green. That means the dongle is in LHDC 192 kHz mode. If it turns blue, that will mean that LHDC 96 kHz, red will mean LHDC 48 kHz, and white will mean SBC 48 kHz. So yeah, here it's green. That means I'm in full throttle mode, LHDC 192 kHz. Okay, we can also use this with a 3.5mm port. Yeah, if we have a wired headphone or something like that, we will also be able to use this LHDC ONE, but in wired 3.5mm port mode. It offers up to 48 kHz sampling rate. So I will definitely recommend that you get a pair of earbuds which supports LHDC 192 kHz and pair it with the LHDC ONE. This LHDC ONE not only turns your device into a music monster, but we also get access to Spatial audio solution LHDC X. Yeah, we get free access to proprietary surround sound software, and we can immerse ourselves fully into the exclusive Spatial audio software. LHDC X is a subscription-based software that provides support for up to 7.1 channels through personalized HRTF. HRTF stands for Head-Related Transfer Function. This offers over 35,000 parameter points for a fully personalized audio experience. Yeah, the lifetime membership access is only available to the early birds. So if you really want to get that lifetime membership access, go. Don't waste your time, because access to that software will cost around $65 after the campaign ends. At the beginning, I have talked about low latency. In low latency mode, this one goes as low as 80 millisecond. LHDC ONE supports high-res audio wireless. This is a USB-C based product, so we can easily use this with any of our smartphones without any issue. Now let's talk a bit about the sound quality and the specifications. I don't think we need to talk about the sound quality, because if you really get a pair of LHDC 192 kHz supported earbuds, then you will definitely get master tape audio quality. And LHDC ONE offers a very long distance connectivity, so connectivity isn't an issue. LHDC ONE supports Bluetooth 5.3, offers lossless audio, personalized LHDC spatial audio, and you know what, this one not only supports LHDC version 4, LHDC ONE also supports LHDC version 5. So definitely I'm super happy with this LHDC ONE with its performance, and now I don't have a cable mess. I don't need an external DSC or any other adapters, any other connectors or something like that. I can use this LHDC ONE with my smartphone, with my Nintendo Switch, with my MacBook Pro, with many other devices, many other laptops and tablets. It's definitely a plug and play device. We don't need any driver or anything, so it's definitely very easy to use. Kudos to this brand Savitech. So, well, it's your choice. Do you want to get stuck to that lousy audio? Like, do you want to use that AAC SBC codec where we get loosey, where we lose a lot of audio, where there is a clutter? Or do you want to upgrade yourself to master tape quality LHDC audio, 24-bit 192 kHz, where every single bit is delightful and much more enjoyable? Because at 24-bit 92 kHz, it offers master tape quality sound. I have left a link of this product in the description box below. Go ahead, check the product. There are some giveaways and other gifts for the early birds, so don't delay. Don't waste your time. If you want to get one, then I think it's the correct time to get. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button, and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.